A very good morning, children. Today we'll continue with the chapter number 6, Plants Living and Surviving. Today we are going to talk about aquatic plants. The plants that found in aquatic habitats such as ponds, rivers, lakes, seas are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are of three types, that is fixed plant, floating plants, and underwater plants. Let's learn one by one about them. First of all, we'll take fixed plants. These plants are fixed to the bed of the pond. Their stem is light and hollow. The broad leaves float on the water. The underside of the leaf is mostly submerged in water, so they have stomata on the upper surface. Lotus, water lilies are example of some fixed plants. Aquatic plants. Now next is floating plants. Some aquatic plants that float in water. They have spongy, swollen plants. Duckweed, water hanknet are such examples of the floating plants. Now next is underwater plants. Plants that grow underwater have leaves that are narrow and long, as you can see in the picture also. Their body is flexible so that they can move with the water current. They do not have stomata to help them breathe. They breathe through air spaces in their stem. Tape grass, pondweed are some examples of underwater plants. Some other interesting plants about which we are going to learn is insectivorous plants and parasitic plants. Now, what is insectivorous plants? Some plants such as Venus flytrap and the pitcher plant eat insects. They usually grow in the areas where soil has insufficient nutrients. So the plants get these nutrients by trapping and consuming insects. When an insect sits on the Venus flytrap, the sensitive pair of leaves snaps shut. It closes its leaves. And the insect which gets trapped inside the leaves, they get the nutrient from that. Next is parasitic plants. Some plants steal food from other plants. They are called as parasitic plants. For example, the mistletoe is a green parasitic with green leaves. It has chlorophyll and can make its own food. It gets water and mineral from the host plant. The dodder is total parasite and its leaves are reduced to brown scales. It contains no chlorophyll and absorb all its food from a host plant. So children, this is all about the different plants, that how they live, how they survive in their habitat. Thank you so much. Have a good day.